Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be looking at the diagrams of the very important organisms that you're going to be seeing in your JAM, your WAEC, or any of the external exams that you'll be taking. These diagrams are going to come out in your exams and you're going to see them drawn with lines asking you to name the parts or the functions. And amongst these organisms, we are going to be considering the amoeba, the paramecium, the euglena, and the what? Chlamydomonas. So first of all, let's look at the euglena. The euglena has this shape, having the nucleus, the chronoplast that enables it to do photosynthesis, the pellicle that protects it, and the flagellum that it uses for movement. So it is actually a green organism because it has the chronoplast that enables it to have photosynthesis done on it. Then we have this organism paramecium that has the shape of a slippers. It has the nucleus and also the cilia. In your JAMB exams, the examiner will be drawing this diagram and it will be letting an arrow from this and it will ask you what is the function of this. So you're supposed to know that this is the cilia and you're supposed to know the function that it performs in enabling the paramecium to move. Then we'll have this other organism known as the amoeba. With this shape, you can see the shape is not much formed like the other ones, and that's why some people call it shapeless amoeba, because it does not have a formed shape. Like this one is having a very spherical shape. All these other ones you can actually picture the shape, but you can see this is the amoeba, but it's also like other organisms. It has the nucleus and it has what we call the plasma membrane. Now finally we look at the Chlamydomonas. This organism with a spherical shape that also has chloroplast because it is also an autotroph. It can manufacture its food by itself. Then it has the nucleus and the cell wall and also the flagellum that enables movement for it. So take note of these organisms, take note of their shapes. Their shapes are very, very important. You're supposed to know how to draw them and identify the other parts inside them, so that when you see such questions in your JAM, you should be able to handle them effectively. Thank you.